Hello and welcome. Greg here from Jaguar Crewe, letting you know a little bit more about our latest arrival in the form of this grey looking Jaguar F-Pace. This particular example is the F-Pace R Sport all-wheel drive, finished here in the optional Caesium blue metallic colour. Key equipment highlights will include the benefit of automatic Z-on headlights with signature daytime running lights, as well as collision avoidance city emergency braking. As an approved used vehicle, it will benefit from minimum 12-month warranty and roadside assistance, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind. Round the side you'll find these large alloy wheels, as well as the model comes upgraded with a sliding panoramic roof which will let in plenty of natural light. Additionally, you will find privacy glass available from the B-pillar backwards, and your passengers in the back can also enjoy plenty of legroom and headroom with upholstery finish in premium ebony leather with contrasting light oyster stitching. That sunroof will let in plenty of natural light inside the cabin, and moving towards the rear, distinctly shaped LED taillights will also be on offer. When your hands are full of shopping, you'll be pleased to know there's a power opening and closing tailgate, revealing a very large boot offering. You can create even more space by folding the rear seats down in a 40-20-40 split, and closing it simply requires a press of a button. In the front, the driver will also enjoy a digital driver dash, and also front seats will benefit from being electrically adjustable. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Jaguar F-Pace. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you are enjoying watching this particular video, why not hit on the like button now, or leave us a comment or question about it in the section below. Once behind the wheel of this F-Pace, there's plenty for the driver to enjoy. Premium cabin featuring lots of soft touch materials, and everything's logically laid out and easy to reach. Music lovers amongst you will be happy to know there's a Meridian sound system, and the multifunction steering wheel button is also easy to use. The interactive driver display will also benefit from various functions. Radio stations, music can all be controlled, as well as various assist systems such as those displayed on the screen. Additionally, you can fully change the display function and change the look, for example, to accommodate full satellite navigation mapping, or torch effect is great when traveling in the evening. Additionally, this car will come with bespoke drive modes such as rain, ice, snow for added grip in difficult conditions. Economy will prioritize fuel efficiency, whilst the dynamic mode will opt for a more sporty spirited drive with its own bespoke design. In the center, 10-inch Touch Pro system will further benefit from built-in satellite navigation with a 2D and 3D view, Bluetooth telephony pairing that's incredibly easy to use, as well as music and radio delivered via AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception. Additionally, for the coming winter months, you'll be pleased to know there's heated front seats with a 3-stage setting available. Additionally, both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone interfaces will be available as well. Ambient lighting has been optionally upgraded in this model and will allow you to choose from numerous colors. Helping you park is a rear view parking camera with a wide angle view, fully supported by front and rear parking sensors. Moving down the cabin, easy to use 2-zone climate control system will allow you to set the ideal temperature with a deep center armrest featuring additional USB connectors. Electric sunshade light and pan roof is very easy to use. This has been a presentation of the Jaguar F-Pace R Sport all-wheel drive that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact one of our Jaguar specialists today, either by dialing the number listed in the description, or better yet, just follow the link that's attached. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to helping you find your next Jaguar.